Hello kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful playground with beautiful colors. This beautiful color used in the playground. Please full watch this video and subscribe my channel. Yellow color in sun. Red color, orange color, purple color, pink color, blue color, light blue color, brown color, dark green color in tree, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, wow, kids, our beautiful playground with beautiful colors are ready. Please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.